All right, welcome to video 6 in creating asteroids. Last video we created the rocket engine animation for our spaceship, and so we can go putzing around the galaxy, or are we? Because we right now are in a giant white void of nothing. So in this video what I'd like to do is create the backdrop. Now, there's a couple of actually pretty good options built into Scratch for this particular game if we want to create asteroids. We come down here to choose a backdrop in the very bottom right horn. Here's choose a sprite, but we want a backdrop this time. Remember, you can use any backdrop that you want from virtually any JPEG picture, but there are some that are actually in here. If you just click right here on choose a backdrop or on the search engine here, there are a few. Like if we went space, we have galaxy, looks really nice, a nebula, moon, stars. Look at that. Okay, so these are great options. However, if you wanted to create your own, there is another option there. Sorry, my phone's going off there. I'm turning it off right now. If I go to upload backdrop, I could upload my own space backdrop, and I could find any from online. So if I open up a new tab and I just typed, let's go outer space or stars or anything like that, we can go to our image search, and here is a whole bunch of great options. Here's one that's very sparkly kind of looking galaxy. Here's one very artistic. Here's a nice one right there. Here's a very simple one, and all you need to do is right click, save image as. This one says NASA Galaxy, so we go save here. So it's got some images of galaxies off in the distance. We come back to Scratch, and we come into our backdrops, and we could upload a backdrop, and we could go NASA Galaxy. There's a nice one. There it is. Now, here's the problem. That particular backdrop is a bit too small. So can we just change size? No, we can't. What you could do though for this is if you highlight your backdrop, you can expand its size. And now you're all set. That's looking pretty good. And in fact, I think I'll use that NASA one, and I'll get rid of my other backdrops in the meantime. We might add more backdrops for, like, say, a start screen or something like that. But for right now, we've got a nice looking backdrop right now that we could edit around. Although I am noticing right now, if I've got that, it's just, there's a little bit of it that wasn't showing all the way at the top. There we go. That's a little better. So make sure it covers up the entire image there. You can move it around depending on what you need as well, whatever you need to do with it. Okay, I hope that helps. Now you can customize your own backdrop.